Hello, this is Star, and I'm gonna do my week three coding assignment. Um, so the first thing you want to do is go into GitHub, as you can see on my screen. Then, once you're logged in and everything, you're gonna click on New Repository, and you're gonna name it, which I named Week Three Source Control Arrays and Methods, and the only other thing that you're going to do before you create it is make sure it's click public. Then you're going to save it, and then on your screen, it will show uh, your codes and everything to connect your local and remote repositories. So to begin, I will show you what I did. In the beginning, I did git dash dash version. It pulled up this and showed me everything. Then Um, once I did that on my command prompt, I already created a projects file. So uh, what I did there was CD'd into projects, as you can see here. Then I copied and pasted the first line on GitHub. The first line on GitHub was this. Wait, let me back up. Once I CD into the projects, then I mkdir and then the name of that I created on GitHub. Then right here is the first, I copied and pasted the first line on GitHub, which was the echo, etc., etc. Once I did that, I DIR'd it, which you can see here. Then once I DIR'd it, I needed to move my file from the projects into the folder that I created for week three. So I did move read me, and as you can see, it says one file moved. Once I did that, I CD'd into the file that I'm going to be using. Once I CD'd into that, I put git and then int, INIT. When I added that code, it showed an empty repository. So that means that we are good, that we can start adding into it. My next code was git add dot. When I added that code, it moved all the files that I needed to move. Then I wanted to check to make sure of my work that I already put in, which is git status. Once I did that, it showed me this, and there was nothing to commit because it was already done. So once I did that, I was good, and it showed me that I was good. So I move on to the next step, which was taking the fifth line off of my GitHub that it gave to me. And I copied it and pasted it into this. So it was, let me see, right here, git commit. No, wait, I'm sorry. Okay, once I did the git status, then the next thing I did was git commit dash am for my first commit. Once I did the first commit, I put git status to check it. Once I checked it, that's when I grabbed the fifth line off of the GitHub. It's not showing because I already connected it. So it was git remote add original, and then the rest of it. Once I did that, my last step is to push it to the master. So what I put was git push original master. And once it finished loading, it was done. And it was done, it gave me this. So when it gave me this, I closed this down. I refreshed my browser inside the GitHub that I already had up, and it showed me that I already connected it. And as you can see, I connected it 1 hour ago. And that was then the next step I will show you is uh, locally. So I did this PC, local disk, user, account I was under, my projects folder that I created. And right here, you can see that I created the week 3, and inside of it is the file that I created.